Today, we commence a comprehensive examination of the construction industry, a sector that fundamentally shapes our built environment. From towering skyscrapers to the intricate network of roads that connect our communities, construction represents a harmonious blend of effort, materials, and meticulous planning. While it may appear to be solely about bricks and mortar, each successful construction project is the result of a meticulously orchestrated sequence of planning, processes, and human expertise. The construction industry is a complex ecosystem with numerous interdependent components. Understanding the 10 fundamental phases of an effective construction process is akin to possessing a blueprint for success. At National Commercial Development Incorporated, we guide you every step of the way, ensuring your company's success. NCD's knowledge delineates the difference between a project that is executed seamlessly and one that becomes a costly, problematic endeavor. Therefore, prepare yourself, don your hard hat, and be ready to delve into each phase, step by step. I'm Keith Whitener, President of NCD, and I look forward to guiding you through this intricate process. Whether you are an experienced contractor or a novice in the field, remember, a robust foundation is built on knowledge, and we are here to provide you with the essential insights. The success of a construction project is significantly dependent on a proficient and unified team. This is where an effective human resources department becomes indispensable, acting as the cornerstone for recruiting, hiring, and retaining the skilled professionals essential for project advancement. It entails identifying individuals with the necessary expertise, from the meticulous foreman to the skilled welder. A proficient HR team excels in evaluating applications, conducting comprehensive interviews, and ensuring that each candidate is an appropriate fit for the role. Beyond recruitment, HR responsibilities encompass conducting background checks, providing safety training, and managing onboarding processes to ensure all personnel are qualified, prepared, and capable of working safely and efficiently. This process is analogous to establishing a robust foundation for a resilient team, one that can navigate challenges and deliver projects on schedule and within budget. Ultimately, the construction industry is fundamentally about people, and investing in your workforce is the most prudent investment you can make. How does the Human Resources Department construct an exemplary team? It begins with a precise and comprehensive job posting, outlining the necessary skills, experience, and certifications for each role. This serves as a beacon, attracting the right talent to your construction organization. Upon receiving applications, the HR department intensifies its efforts, meticulously screening resumes, verifying references, and conducting interviews to assess both technical competencies and the essential proactive attitude required on any job site. The most proficient HR departments delve beyond the resume, seeking to understand a candidate's work ethic, problem-solving abilities, and capacity to collaborate effectively as part of a team. They seek individuals who not only possess the necessary skills, but also embody the company's values and commitment to safety and quality. Once the ideal candidate is identified, HR ensures a seamless onboarding process, providing all necessary documentation, safety training, and introductions to integrate the new hire as a valued member of the team. When the workforce feels supported and appreciated, they are more likely to remain with the company, thereby reducing turnover and fostering a robust company culture for the long term. Although construction is fundamentally a hands-on industry, The success of any project is profoundly dependent on meticulous financial management. This is where the often overlooked professionals in the accounting department play an indispensable role, ensuring the financial operations proceed seamlessly and funds are allocated appropriately. The scope extends beyond mere bookkeeping. It encompasses managing cash flow, tracking expenditures, and ensuring timely payments to all parties involved, from subcontractors to suppliers. Without a robust accounting system, even the most meticulously planned project can encounter significant issues. Consider it akin to the foundation of a building. Just as one would not construct on unstable ground, a successful construction enterprise cannot thrive without a comprehensive understanding of its financials. Accurate accounting facilitates informed decision-making, secures financing, and ensures long-term business viability. Therefore, whether dealing with accounts payable, receivable, or payroll, maintaining financial order is as critical as ensuring a safe and efficient job site. Let us explore the critical accounting components that ensure the seamless operation of a construction enterprise. Firstly, we have accounts payable. This pertains to the funds disbursed to vendors, suppliers, and subcontractors. Meticulously tracking these invoices, purchase orders, and payment deadlines is imperative to avoid late fees, maintain robust relationships, and ensure timely delivery of materials. Next, we address accounts receivable, which involves managing the funds received from clients. This encompasses issuing invoices, monitoring payments, and occasionally pursuing overdue payments, as maintaining a healthy cash flow is paramount in the construction industry. Lastly, we must consider payroll, the cornerstone of any construction workforce. This entails calculating wages, deducting taxes, and ensuring that all employees are compensated accurately and punctually. A satisfied crew is more productive, which ultimately leads to a more successful and profitable project. Mastery of these three accounting areas is crucial for any construction company aspiring to thrive rather than merely survive. It is about establishing a system that is efficient, transparent, and ensures the proper flow of funds, thereby building a foundation of financial stability for your business. The well-known maxim, safety first, holds particular significance within the construction industry. It transcends being a mere slogan and becomes a foundational principle. The presence of heavy machinery, elevated work areas, electrical systems, and numerous moving components, any of which can swiftly transform a productive day into a hazardous one, underscores the necessity of a comprehensive safety plan. An effective safety plan is akin to a meticulously crafted blueprint. It delineates the fundamental guidelines, permissible actions, and prohibitions, as well as the protocols for addressing incidents ranging from minor mishaps to significant emergencies. It encompasses all aspects of personal protective equipment such as hard hats and safety glasses, and includes lockout, tag-out procedures for heavy machinery. However, the efficacy of a safety plan is contingent upon its implementation. It is insufficient for the plan to merely exist as a document. It is imperative that all personnel on the job site are familiar with, comprehend, and adhere to the safety plan rigorously. This necessitates regular safety meetings, toolbox talks, and continuous training to maintain a focus on safety. Additionally, it involves fostering a culture of safety where every team member feels empowered to voice concerns regarding unsafe conditions without fear of retribution. Despite the most comprehensive safety plans, incidents may still occur. Therefore, it is imperative to establish a clear and precise incident reporting procedure. When an incident transpires, immediate awareness is essential. An effective incident reporting system enables the identification of hazards, the tracking of trends, and the implementation of corrective measures to prevent recurrence. The objective is not to assign blame, but to derive lessons from errors and continuously enhance safety protocols on the job site. A culture of safety transcends mere rules and regulations. It involves mutual vigilance. It is about fostering an environment where every individual feels accountable for their own safety and that of their colleagues. It is about recognizing that each worker aspires to return home to their families at the end of the day, unharmed. This is an objective worth striving for each and every day. It is imperative to recognize the reality. The construction industry is inherently complex and demanding. Numerous variables, moving parts, and potential pitfalls exist. Consequently, managing risk is not merely advisable, it is essential for success. This does not imply the complete avoidance of risks. Such an outcome is as improbable as completing a project under budget. It involves identifying potential issues before they escalate and formulating contingency plans to address them if they rise. Consider it akin to wearing a tool belt. Not every tool is required for every task, but it is prudent to have them available when needed. Risk management in construction encompasses various strategies. It begins with establishing robust contracts with precise language and expectations for all parties involved. It includes thoroughly vetting subcontractors, ensuring they are adequately insured and qualified for the tasks. Additionally, it involves a comprehensive understanding of insurance policies to ascertain what is covered and what is not. In the realm of construction, proactive measures are invaluable, potentially saving significant legal expenses. One of the most effective strategies for risk management is the proactive avoidance of claims. While this may appear straightforward, it necessitates diligent and sustained effort. Although it is easier said than done, the cornerstone of this approach is the maintenance of open and transparent communication channels. Engage consistently with the owner, subcontractors, and all stakeholders involved in the project. Address issues promptly, document all interactions meticulously, and prevent problems from escalating. Subcontractors are integral to any construction project, yet they can also introduce risks. Ensure that your subcontracts are meticulously drafted. Clearly delineate the scope of work, payment terms, insurance requirements, and dispute resolution procedures. Furthermore, the agreement with the owner is paramount. Allocate sufficient time to thoroughly review and finalize this document, ensuring all parties are aligned on the project schedule, payment milestones, and the critical change order process. In the realm of construction, a well-crafted contract is invaluable. It serves not merely as a document, but as a comprehensive guide to success and a safeguard against potential disputes in the future. Esteemed colleagues, it is often asserted that every journey commences with a single step. Within the domain of construction, that preliminary step is not the pouring of concrete or the laying of bricks, but rather the pre-construction phase. This is where the groundwork is meticulously prepared, the foundation is established, and the vision is transformed from blueprints and aspirations into a comprehensive plan of action. This phase entails defining the scope of the project, finalizing the budget, and creating a realistic schedule. It is during this stage that architects, engineers, contractors, and clients collaborate to ensure alignment. It involves anticipating challenges, identifying potential obstacles, and devising innovative solutions before the first shovel breaks ground. Consider it analogous to this. One would not bake a cake without first gathering the necessary ingredients, correct? Therefore, the pre-construction phase is about assembling the right components, the appropriate team, a well-thought-out plan, and the proper mindset to ensure the project's success from inception to completion. Defining the scope of a project is analogous to establishing the boundaries on a construction site. It entails clearly outlining the tasks to be executed, the materials to be employed, and the final appearance of the project. This phase is pivotal for specifying every aspect of the project, ensuring there is no ambiguity. Subsequently, we address the budget. The budget is a central point of discussion, and justifiably so. It is imperative to realistically evaluate the costs involved, including materials, labor, permits, and insurance. Additionally, one must account for unforeseen challenges that may arise. A comprehensive schedule is indispensable for any construction project. This involves establishing a timeline, setting milestones, and ensuring all team members are cognizant of their responsibilities and deadlines. Effective timing is crucial for the seamless execution of the project. Lastly, the engagement of the client is of utmost importance. Keeping the client informed and involved throughout the pre-construction process is essential. Ultimately, the project aims to realize the client's vision, and their satisfaction is the definitive measure of success. With the foundation established, it is imperative to address the blueprints before commencing any construction. These documents are not merely aesthetic illustrations. They constitute the fundamental framework of the project. Architects, the visionaries within the construction industry, translate concepts into detailed plans, determining the appearance, functionality, and overall design of the entire structure. However, this is not a solitary endeavor. Engineers contribute their technical expertise and precision, ensuring the structure's stability, resilience to extreme weather conditions, and overall durability against natural elements. This is where theoretical plans meet practical execution, or in our case, where concrete meets precise calculations. Design contracts, another essential component, delineate the responsibilities, timelines, and financial aspects of the design phase. It is akin to a pre-construction agreement, ensuring all parties are aligned before construction commences. Additionally, design risk analysis is crucial. Every project encounters challenges, but anticipating these challenges can differentiate between a seamless build and a costly setback. Consider it as preventative maintenance for your construction plans. The design phase extends beyond merely preventing potential issues. It focuses on optimizing efficiency, sustainability, and ensuring the final product is aesthetically pleasing. Architects and engineers collaborate closely with clients, balancing aesthetics with practicality, similar to a conductor harmonizing an orchestra. Effective communication is crucial, much like in any well-coordinated orchestra. Regular meetings, progress reports, and mutual understanding are essential to maintaining the project's trajectory and ensuring alignment among all parties. A construction crew lacking clarity is as ineffective as a screen door on a submarine. Even the most meticulously planned projects can encounter unforeseen challenges. Therefore, flexibility is crucial during the design phase. Whether it is a client requesting a larger walk-in closet or unexpected soil conditions, adaptability is essential. The ability to adapt, adjust, and improvise distinguishes seasoned professionals. This dynamic process is what makes construction so engaging. It is a delicate balance between creativity and practicality, vision and execution. It is where imagination materializes and blueprints become the foundation of something tangible and enduring. Let us delve into a topic that is fundamental to the success of every contractor: financial management. Specifically, the methodology for accurately determining the cost of a project prior to the commencement of any physical work. This is where the estimating process becomes indispensable, involving far more than mere conjecture. Precise estimating is the foundation of a successful construction project. Underestimating can lead to cost overruns and considerable stress. Conversely, overestimating may result in the loss of the bid entirely. It is a high-stakes endeavor requiring precision, with no margin for error. Bid preparation is where meticulous calculations are rigorously tested. This is the stage where all the carefully gathered data is presented to the client in a clear, concise, and persuasive manner. It is akin to presenting a masterpiece, but instead of paint and canvas, one utilizes lumber, concrete, and considerable effort. Furthermore, vendor management is a critical component. Securing reliable suppliers who can provide quality materials on time and within budget is essential. It is comparable to assembling a pit crew for a racing team. Every team member must perform optimally to ensure the project's success. The standardized estimating process operates like a well-oiled machine. It ensures uniformity, reduces errors, and ultimately conserves both time and financial resources. Consider it a formula for construction success. One would not bake a cake without following the instructions, correct? A critical element in this formula is historical data. By monitoring costs from previous projects, one can identify trends, anticipate potential issues, and refine estimates with each new project. It is akin to possessing a crystal ball. However, instead of predicting the future, it aids in accurately pricing it. Additionally, technology plays a pivotal role. The era of jotting down numbers on the back of a napkin is long gone. Presently, sophisticated software programs streamline the estimating process, providing real-time updates, generating detailed reports, and significantly simplifying the task for contractors. Ultimately, it all comes down to experience. The more one engages in estimating, the more proficient one becomes. With time, one develops an intuitive sense for identifying potential cost overruns, negotiating fair prices, and constructing budgets that are both realistic and competitive. With the plans in place and the numbers analyzed, it is now imperative to address the procurement process. Project procurement is the meticulous process of acquiring all necessary materials to transform blueprints into tangible structures. This process is far more complex than simply visiting a local hardware store. The initial step involves vendor pre-qualification. It is crucial to ensure that only qualified suppliers are engaged in the project. Consider it analogous to selecting your team. You require experienced, reliable professionals who deliver quality work punctually and within budget. Pre-qualification filters out less capable suppliers, ensuring collaboration with the industry's best. The subsequent step involves subcontracts. Most projects are too extensive for a single company to manage independently. This is where subcontractors come in, specializing in various trades, such as electrical, plumbing, drywall, and landscaping. Managing these subcontractors, coordinating schedules, and ensuring cohesive collaboration is a critical aspect of the procurement process. Additionally, the materials themselves must be considered. Lumber, concrete, steel, windows, doors. The list is extensive. Material management involves sourcing the best prices, coordinating deliveries, and ensuring timely and accurate arrival on site. It is a logistical challenge, and any misstep can disrupt the entire project. Project procurement extends beyond merely securing the most competitive price. It encompasses fostering relationships with suppliers, comprehending market dynamics, and adeptly managing the intricate realm of shipping and logistics. This process is a meticulous endeavor, demanding a sharp attention to detail and considerable patience. A frequently underestimated aspect is the significance of effective communication. Maintaining open lines of communication with vendors, subcontractors, and the project team is crucial for ensuring a seamless procurement process. Regular check-ins, progress reports, and a substantial amount of clear communication can significantly mitigate the risk of costly delays and misunderstandings. Additionally, the importance of documentation cannot be overstated. Procurement involves an extensive array of contracts, purchase orders, invoices, and delivery receipts. Maintaining organization, ensuring accurate record keeping, and managing this documentation efficiently is vital for upholding transparency and preventing disputes in the future. In conclusion, project procurement is an indispensable component of the construction industry. It is the unsung hero, the behind-the-scenes operation that facilitates the success of all other activities. While it may not be the most glamorous aspect, it is undoubtedly one of the most critical elements of the construction process. Attention team, we have dedicated significant time in the office discussing contracts and analyzing data. Now, it is time to initiate the actual construction phase. This is where plans materialize, where blueprints become structures. The initial step is site preparation. It is comparable to preparing a grill before a barbecue. The area must be cleared, the ground leveled, and everything arranged for the primary construction activities. This involves excavation, grading, and potentially demolition if there is an existing structure. Once the site is prepared, the main construction begins. Foundations are poured, frames are erected, and walls start to rise. It is a coordinated effort of skilled trades, each utilizing their specialized tools and techniques. Carpenters, masons, electricians, and plumbers all work together seamlessly. Safety is of utmost importance. Construction sites can be hazardous, so strict safety protocols are essential. Hard hats, steel toe boots, and high visibility vests are mandatory. We are accountable for the safety and well-being of our team members. As the structure begins to take shape, the focus shifts to the interior. Drywall is installed, paint is applied, and fixtures are positioned. Meticulous attention to detail is essential, ensuring compliance with regulations and alignment with the client's specifications. In terms of quality control, it is a vital component of the construction process. Regular inspections are conducted to verify that the work is executed correctly and that all materials conform to the required standards. The objective is to construct a durable structure that will withstand the test of time, not a temporary edifice. While hands-on work is indispensable, technology plays a significant role in modern construction. From computer-aided design, CAD software, to project management tools, technology assists in streamlining the process and enhancing efficiency. Ultimately, it is the hard work and dedication of the individuals on the construction site that bring a project to completion. They are the unsung heroes, the backbone of the industry. We are now in the concluding stages of the project, with completion imminent. However, prior to celebrating and handing over the keys, several critical steps must be addressed. This phase is referred to as Project Closeout, which involves finalizing all details and ensuring everything is in order. The initial task is to create as-built drawings. These are updated blueprints that document any changes or modifications made during the construction process. Consider it a comprehensive report card for the project. The subsequent step is commissioning. This involves testing all systems, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, to ensure they are functioning correctly. It is akin to administering a final examination to the building before it is deemed complete. Finally, we have owner acceptance. This is the critical moment when the client conducts a final walkthrough and determines their satisfaction with the work. It is comparable to receiving final approval from the client. The project closeout phase, while perhaps not as visually striking as other stages of construction, holds equal importance. This phase guarantees that the client receives their investment, a secure, functional, and high-quality building. It encompasses addressing punch lists and ensuring all minor details are meticulously resolved. A loose doorknob or a scratch on the floor may appear insignificant, but these details can greatly affect the client's satisfaction. Furthermore, no project closeout is complete without the requisite documentation. This includes warranties, operation manuals, and all other essential paperwork associated with a new building. Managing these documents is vital, underscoring the value of a competent construction manager. They are responsible for maintaining organization and ensuring the project reaches completion seamlessly. Thus, we conclude our comprehensive overview. We have traversed a significant amount of information in this video, from the initial planning stages to the final project closeout. We have underscored the paramount importance of safety, quality control, and meticulous attention to detail. Furthermore, we have observed the evolution of the construction industry, with emerging technologies and sustainable practices revolutionizing our methodologies. Nevertheless, one constant remains: the indispensable need for skilled tradespeople who are committed to diligent and hands-on work. Utilizing an experienced construction consulting firm, such as National Commercial Development, can navigate throughout this entire process. Whether constructing a skyscraper or a single-family residence, the 10 essential phases of construction serve as a strategic roadmap for success. From effective human resource management to precise accounting procedures, risk management to project closeout, each phase is crucial in ensuring projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the highest standards. Therefore, the next time you pass by a construction site, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into bringing these structures to fruition. It is a challenging profession, but it is essential, and these professionals are the backbone of our nation's infrastructure.